Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. Perched atop a hill, a striking modern black house commands attention with its sleek, minimalist design. Its exterior, a deep ebony, stands in stark contrast to the surrounding natural landscape. The house is constructed with a blend of concrete and wood, creating a juxtaposition of industrial and organic elements. The interior of the house is equally striking, featuring polished wooden floors that warm the cool tones of the exterior. Large windows offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, including a breathtaking infinity pool that appears to merge seamlessly with the blue lake below. The pool's reflective surface creates a mesmerizing interplay of light and shadow, adding to the home's dramatic appeal. Behind the house, a majestic blue lake stretches out to meet the horizon, its surface shimmering in the sunlight. A range of mountains rises in the distance, their peaks painted in hues of blue and purple. A vibrant rainbow arcs across the sky, adding a touch of magic to the scene. The design of this modern black house is a testament to the power of contrast. The dark exterior, combined with the warm wooden interior and the vibrant natural landscape, creates a visually stunning and thought-provoking space. The house's minimalist aesthetic allows the natural beauty of its surroundings to take center stage, while its modern design adds a touch of sophistication and elegance. This is more than just a house. It is a work of art that invites contemplation and appreciation of the beauty of both nature and human ingenuity. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.